That guys, they're working in my house. It's better. They're fixing maybe roof. Garden door is open, and yeah, they're good. They're working, you know. So yeah, rope is very dangerous. They should work. Oh, look at that. Garden door is open. They're working. So yeah, they should work like this. Let me see how much they do and what they're doing really. Look at that. It's too much bad. You see that roof. So this is upgrade about my house at the moment. They're fixing the rope. Another thing, I don't know how much they will do, but it is must. They should do because dangerous. It will be very dangerous if not fix the roof. Because my front small room was very dark. The paint not work really. They have to done the roof. So at the moment they're doing it. So yeah, I'm happy they're doing it. I hope I will get my house back and they will fix it fast. Let me see what happened. Look at that. This they throw my plants also. People last Saturday maybe they start working. So let me see what happened next. My curtain, everything really I fixed, and this is situation at the moment. Look, lots of wood chip I buy to improve this garden, and look at that wood chip, very costly wood chip. Anyway, never mind. Let me see what happened. I have court case. Let me see what is they do. They're fixing it. I'm happy they're fixing. There's a danger. Look at that, dangerous. Don't climb. It's better. What is this? I don't know. Anyway, this is better. They're fixing. Anyways, this small video, and I will make give more upgrade about my housing, what's going on, and what is happening really. Look, broken door. There was glass, and they put wood now. Anyway, I will make video next time again for my video. My housing. Everybody's house is perfect, but my one was totally different. Now I think so they will make little better. Maybe homeowner doing it, because when I was there council can do it, but they removed me. So maybe now owner doing it, make house suitable for people, not put color outside. Have to do from inside, because anytime roof can be fall over and people can be die, and it is a health and safety dangerously crime. So let me see you. Bye bye at the moment.